In March, the U.S. Supreme Court will hear arguments about restricting the use of an abortion pill known as mifepristone.
Now, Phil Weiser is joining 24 other attorneys general who filed a brief with the High Court pushing to protect access to medication for abortions nationwide.
Denver 7 reporter and attorney Jessica Crawford joining us now. So Jessica, tell us how this case could impact folks here in Colorado.
Well, here in Colorado, the right to abortion is protected. However, there's no guarantee to a specific type of abortion here. So if the Supreme Court decides to restrict the use of mifepristone, that would effectively mean that people in Colorado and across the country would no longer have access to medication abortion. Medication is the most frequently used method for terminating pregnancies. Attorney General Phil Weiser says after Roe versus Wade was overturned, Colorado saw a big increase in people traveling here to terminate pregnancies. He's concerned that restricting mifepristone could overwhelm our state's reproductive health care system.
If you were to take mifepristone off the market, the only FDA medication abortion that is available, you're going to make those lengthy waits even longer, because right now medication abortion is a quick, safe, and effective way to terminate a pregnancy. If that's off the table and you have to go for abortion procedures, we're going to be seeing even longer waits.
One part of the amicus brief states that if mifepristone is severely restricted, quote, the ruling could drive many individuals to undergo unwanted procedural abortions, push abortion procedures to later on in the pregnancy, and sharply increase risks, costs, and delays. The Supreme Court will hear oral arguments on that case on March 26th. Reporting in the studio, I'm Jessica Crawford, Denver 7.
All right, thank you, Jessica. And last week, pro-abortion groups in Colorado launched a campaign aimed at getting abortion protections enshrined into the Constitution. Advocates say it would provide another layer of protection. They hope to get a ballot measure in front of voters in November.
Colorado has been a leader in protecting reproductive health care, including access to abortion, going all the way back to the 60s. But with a change in political winds, we could always lose that right here in Colorado. So affirming that right in the Constitution is very important.
The group must collect 124,000 signatures for the initiative to qualify for the ballot. Anti-abortion groups also collecting signatures for their own ballot measure that would ban abortions in Colorado and allow doctors to be prosecuted.